Hey makers, welcome back to Hub360 Embedded Sphere, your favorite tutorial series for embedded electronics and smart project builds. In this part 3 of our robot car series, we are taking things a step further by integrating infrared remote control into our two-wheel drive robot platform. With this upgrade, you will be able to wirelessly control your robot using a regular IR remote without using your phone or Bluetooth. Let's dive right in. To build this project, you need the following components: one Arduino Uno board, one L298N motor driver module, two DC gear motors, the TSOP1738, and then two wheel drive chassis plus the wheels, any standard IR remote, and jumper wires. Get all components at www.hob360.com.ng. Connection. Here's how everything connects. L298N motor driver module to Arduino. Motor driver to Arduino. We start by connecting the motor driver module to Arduino. And how do we do that? First, we connect the enable A pin of the motor driver to the D9 pin on the Arduino. And then next, we connect the in-one pin of the motor driver to the D8 pin on the Arduino. Next, we connect the in-2 pin of the motor driver to the D7 pin on the Arduino. And next, we connect the enable B pin of the motor driver to the D10 pin on the Arduino. And then now we connect the in-3 pin of the motor driver to the D5 pin on the Arduino. And then next, we connect the in-4 pin of the motor driver to the D4 pin on the Arduino. Then we connect the motor A output pin of the motor driver to the left motor. Next, we connect the motor B output pin of the motor driver to the right motor. Next, we connect the 12 voltage VCC pin of the motor driver to the battery supply. We connect the GND pin of the motor driver to the Arduino GND. Okay, finally, we connect the IR module. We are using TSOP1738 IR module. And first, we connect the VCC of the IR receiver to Arduino 5 voltage. And then we connect the data pin on the IR module to D11 pin on Arduino. Then finally, we connect the GND of the IR receiver to the Arduino GND. Make sure the IR receiver is pointed forward and you have line of sight when controlling the robot. Library inclusion. This library allows Arduino to decode IR signals from the remote. Secondly, pin definitions. These define motor driver pins and the IR receiver pin. Setup function. Begins serial communication, initializes the IR receiver, sets all motor pins as output. Motor functions. These are helper functions to control robot movement. Move forward sets motors to drive forward. Move backwards both motors in reverse. Turn left and turn right spins the robot left or right. And stop motor stops both motors. Each movement lasts for a specific duration using delay. Loop function. Listens for incoming IR signals. Checks the code against known values. IR commands. These are specific codes from the IR remote. Each one triggers a motor action. You can change these codes to match your own remote using the serial monitor to identify them. Use your remote to test movement: forward, backward, stop, left, right. In this part 3, you've learned how to set up an IR remote controlled robot, decode IR signals, map remote buttons to robot movement. All the components used in this tutorial are available on hob360.com.ng, Nigeria's trusted embedded system store. Stay tuned for part 4.